Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to catch a division by zero exception. We are going to write a program that takes two numbers as input from the user and divides them and handles zero division error. So we're going to ask the user to enter two numbers for us, and then we're going to do the division with these two numbers. And because the users may make some mistakes, we are going to use try and except blocks in order to prevent program from being crashed. So here we are saying that enter a numerator from the user. We are assigning it to variable a. Then we are saying that okay, enter denominator, and then we are assigning it to b. Then we are having a result variable equals a divided by b, and we are showing the result in the output. However, if there is a problem in this code that is being executed, for example, if b equals 0, we are going to throw an error and got it with the except block, and it is zero division error. And then we are going to show this message. Okay, error cannot divide by 0. So when I run this code, it says enter numerator. I enter, for example, 10. It says enter denominator. I would say, for example, 5. It says result is 2. So 10 is stored in A, 5 is stored in B, and the output of A divided by B is stored in result, and then we are printing the result in the output. However, if I'm having, for example, the first number, the numerator to be 20 and the second number to be 0, it is going to throw an error, and this error is caught by the except keyword, and it understands that it's a zero division error. Here it shows the message cannot divide by 0, and because it is caught as the zero division error, this part is going to be executed in the output. So this is how we can read two inputs from the user and divide them and handle zero division error in case the user is going to make some mistakes. Thank you for watching.